munchkins, beautiful, beautiful, lovely children. How are you all? Fine? I'm also fine. We are back in our English class. What we are going to do? We are going to do English today. Okay? Let's start. Today, what will we do? Vowel, a. Okay? Vowel, a. Draw the picture. Last time what we did? Sound. Sound, add, ag, app. 3 sounds we did na? Add, ag, app. Related to vowel a. Okay. Today what we are going to do? Draw the picture related with these sounds. Okay. We have mixed all the sounds. Today we will draw the picture. Okay. First of all, as usual, write the date. 26th April 2021. 26.4.21. Okay, let's start the work. Draw the picture. Right, draw first the picture. Let's start the work. Number 1, I have written here pad. What I have written here? Pad. Add, pad. Now what I am going to do? I am going to draw the picture related to pad. A small piece of book like this. Springy like this first. Standing line, and then slipping line. A small kind of notebook. It's called pad. Okay? Add, pad. Next, number 2 is sad. What is this? Sad. Circle. I am going to make first circle. Eyes. Beautiful, beautiful eyes. Nose. And I am going to make a sad face. So, in downward position like this. Sad. He is not happy. He is sad. Okay. At number 3 is lap. What is this? Lap. Try to read in a continuous way like lap. Tag. Lap is also okay. But try to read lap. Okay. Lap is, I am going to make mama first. Okay, now when baby is in mama's lap. Okay, mama's godi is lap. Okay, next number 4, tag. I am going to make goggles here. Okay, and one hanging tag is there with the goggles. Tag. Next number 5 is rag. Small piece of cloth. Rag. Next number 6 is lad. 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 Next number 7 is cap. Cap. One downward curve, slipping line, small curves. Cap. Number 8 is bag. I am going to make bag now. Bag. Number 9 is gap. Gap. There is a gap between 2 trees. Okay, gap. Number 10, tap. 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 And the last one is map. Map. First I am going to make one box, then map. Map. Okay. Today what we did? Draw the picture. Now same words you have to do in your homework. Name the picture. Okay. First you will draw the pictures and you will write their name. Name the picture, you have to do your homework. Same words, name the picture. See you with the next class. Okay, bye-bye.